Hey guys, it's me again, Mark Kelly with Inbound Revenue. I wanted to talk to you a little bit about our white label Google Ads Unbounce landing page design. Actually, you could use the landing page for whatever. Facebook, doesn't matter to me. We not only build them in Unbounce, we build them in our Unbounce account. We can host them, set the domain, things like that. So anytime you need a landing page, and everyone knows best practice for Google Ads is to, if you're not doing e-commerce, is to drive traffic to a landing page. So we've built 700 landing pages in Unbounce. All you got to do is come onto this site, place an order. This is really not a terribly complex video. We're going to design a really high quality lead generating landing page for you for additional $20 a month. I think it is. We can set up call tracking, and $49 a year we can host your page. All you've got to do is place the order, provide some details. It's going to go right into our ClickUp, our project management tool. Team's going to reach out to you and send you an intake form. We'll get to work on the landing page. We've got great designers on the team. We'll present it to you. We'll do a round of changes for you. And then boom, you've got yourself a fantastic landing page that you can use for whatever your purposes are. Once again, I'm Mark Kelly, Inbound Revenue. You can drop comments below here if you have them, questions, or you can reach out to me on the Inbound Revenue website. Hey, there's a big contact us. You could use that, or just call that number. I'll pick it up. That's all, folks. Talk to you later.